how to download elements from Canva. Okay, all that you have to do is simply go to Canva and then make sure that you go to the Canva homepage. Okay, just like this one, then you select it. Okay, and then what you have to do is simply select the design that you want to work with. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, or you can simply go straight and then choose a new design by clicking on create a design. And then when you click on create a design, you can simply come here directly and then come and select the custom size. Okay, and then you click on it. So from the custom size, the width that we are going to use is that we are going to use 1920, and then the height we are going to use 1080. Okay, that's the best that you can go with. And then come and then click on create new. Okay, create new design, and then from here, from the designs, come to the element. Okay, and then come and then click on it, and you can search for the element that you want to work with. Okay, it depends on you, but for this tutorial I'm simply going to use the arrow. Okay, so I'm going to select it, and then over here you can see that we have two types. Okay, we have the pro element that if you want to use it, you have to pay sometimes $1 for using just an element, or you have to upgrade to the pro version. Then we have the free type without any pro band on it. So I'm going to select that one. Okay, and then when you look at the top here, we have edit, and beside that one too, you have the color. Okay, so if you want to change the color, just click on it. You can come in and select any color that you want the element to be. Okay, so after selecting the color, you can resize the element based on your preference. Okay, so I'm going to resize it for you to see, and after resizing it, all that you have to do is to simply download it. Okay, so from the right hand corner you have the share. Just come and then click on the share, and then simply come and then click on the download. So when you click on the download, all that you have to do is simply come and then select the file type that you want. Okay, so it depends on you, but I always recommend that you go with the PNG. Okay, that is the best offer that you can go with. Okay, so make sure that you select that one, and then simply come here to where we have the download, and then come and click on the download. Okay, and as you can see, it is downloading. It has finished downloaded. Okay, and we can get it from our downloading option, and then simply come here to show in folder. Come and click on show in folder, and then you are going to see that your element has been downloaded right here. So let's click on it and then come to open, and this is our downloaded element. Like it, and then see you in my next video.